right, today we're making a dirty Diet Coke. Sounds a little X-rated, but it's not. Just dirty. Just dirty. If you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I try things and I give you my 2 cents. So today I'm going to give you my 2 cents on this dirty Diet Coke. So if you're on TikTok at all, you've probably seen these dirty sodas, dirty Diet Coke, dirty Dr. Pepper. Back in December, I believe, Olivia Rodrigo, she's a singer if you didn't know, was a picture of her on Instagram with a Swig cup. So Swig is a soda shop that started in Utah in 2010, and they make these dirty sodas, all different kinds of sodas. It's just a soda shop. Oh, they also sell cookies, I believe. You know, I'm usually a purist when it comes to my Diet Coke. I don't want like cherry flavoring. I don't want vanilla. I just want my Diet Coke. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. So what you need is a glass of ice, a Diet Coke. Now my favorites. All right. Oof, I guess I should leave some room. All right, so then it calls for coconut cream. So this is just a coffee mate creamer. I did get the 0 sugar. And there's a bunch of different recipes out there. A lot of them just eyeball it, but one I found called for 2 tablespoons of cream. So, ooh, it looks cool. Oh, yes, I'll do the top. And I have some coconut syrup. I might have to hold this up here. It's just sugar-free, this too. I have no idea how much. And a lime. Squirting everywhere. All right, I'll put it in there. It's gonna, no. All the way through the top. You know, this sounds weird, but if you remember, I'm gonna show my age here, on Laverne and Shirley, Laverne's favorite drink was Pepsi and milk. So it's kind of the same. Oh, it tastes very tropical, I guess because of the coconut cream. It's really good. I don't know what to compare it to. If there's anything I can compare it to. I think I'm gonna add a little more. Just a touch more cream. Maybe just a pump. I do like that coconut. I don't know if I really taste lime. Let me get a little more lime in here. Ooh. I don't know if because you add all this, it makes it dirty. I don't know where the dirty comes from. Just, it tastes very tropical to me. I don't know if it would be good with some vodka added to it. It's really good. I just think it would be good on the beach. That's just, or if you want to think you're at the beach. I don't know, it's like the coconut flavor goes away. Maybe I should just have coconut creamer and a little Diet Coke. I'm pleasantly surprised. It's good. I'm thinking about for me around here, where could you get something similar to this? Because, you know, you think about Starbucks has all the different, you know, syrups and creamers and stuff, but they don't have soda. So you could go to Sonic and get whatever kind of soda you want and add, if you do this on the app, it's probably easier. You can add blue coconut, which I've had blue coconut before, and to me it tastes like coconut. I don't know what the blue is. If it's blueberry, I don't know what flavor the blue is, but it just tastes like coconut. So blue coconut, sweet cream, and a lime, and I think you would get very similar to this, just so you didn't have to go and buy you a thing of creamer. And order on the app and you can get half price too. So I think that's the best way if you want to try one. I think it's worth a try. It's something different. It's good. I recommend, you know, see it. I give it a shot. Something fun, something different to try. I'm always up for something new. So yeah, so if you try one, let me know what you think. Or if you've been getting dirty with your soda for years, let me know in the comments below. What combinations do you like? Maybe I'll try one. Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.